Method 1. Delete your DaVinci Resolve render cache inside DaVinci Resolve. Just click on playback and click on delete render cache, and here select all for based result. Click on delete and DaVinci will delete all your render cache files. Let's see the second method. Open the Run app, press Windows and R and type here app data. In here, open the roaming folder, open Blackmagic design folder, open DaVinci Resolve, open support. In here, open Resolve disk database, open users, open guest, open cache clip folder. Inside of this folder, you have to delete everything. These files are safe to delete, so delete everything from here, and that's how you can actually clear cache for DaVinci Resolve.